You've probably plugged something into your nearest USB port, a mouse, keyboard, a phone. From outside, they look almost the same, but actually they are not. The white ports, known as USB 1.0, are super old and incredibly slow, only up to 12 megabits per second. What to plug in? Actually nothing, you want to ignore it. Black ports, known as USB 2.0, are most common. They are reliable, but with moderate speed, up to 480 megabits per second. What to plug in? Printers, USB headsets, nothing that requires fast speeds. Blue ports, known as USB 3.0, this is where the speed gets noticeable, jumping up to 5,000 megabits per second. Light blue ports, known as USB 3.1 Generation 2. It has 2 times faster speed than standard blue, going up to 10,000 megabits per second. Red ports, known as USB 3.2, are just a faster version of previous ones with speeds up to 20,000 megabits per second. What to plug in? Anything for higher speed data transfers. Yellow ports, known as sleep and charge. The feature, it stays on even when your computer is turned off. This is great for charging your phone. Super speed logo rule. Manufacturers sometimes ignore color standards, so you can always look for the super speed logo next to the port to verify it's actually fast